A stroke doesn't always start with a collapse. Sometimes it begins with a mild tingle, a strange slur, or a sudden confusion. These are the earliest warning signs your brain is in danger. In this video, I'll show you 10 stroke symptoms you should never ignore, because acting fast can save your life. Welcome to Whole Your Health. I'm here to give you doctor-approved advice to protect your heart, brain, and body. If you want to live longer and stronger, subscribe now. It costs nothing, but could save everything. Every second counts during a stroke. The faster you recognize the symptoms and call emergency services, the better your chances of survival and recovery. First, facial drooping. One side of the face suddenly appears uneven or numb. Ask the person to smile. If one side doesn't move or drops downward, it's a major red flag. Second, arm weakness. Ask the person to raise both arms. If one drifts downward or can't be lifted at all, that's a warning sign. Third, speech changes. They may slur their words, use incorrect words, or suddenly be unable to speak. Have them repeat a simple sentence like "the sky is blue." Fourth, sudden vision loss or double vision in one or both eyes. It may feel like a curtain coming down or like the world went out of focus. Fifth, confusion or trouble understanding simple things. If someone suddenly can't process what you're saying, don't assume. Sixth, trouble walking, dizziness, or loss of balance. If their movements become unsteady or they feel like the room is spinning, act fast. Seventh, a sudden, severe headache, especially if it comes out of nowhere and feels worse than anything they've ever had. This can signal a hemorrhagic stroke. Eighth, numbness or tingling, especially on one side of the body, face, arm, or leg. It may feel like pins and needles or total loss of sensation. Ninth, difficulty swallowing. If someone suddenly chokes on saliva or food without reason, it could be a brain-related motor problem caused by stroke. 10th, sudden collapse, fainting, or unconsciousness, especially if combined with other symptoms we've just mentioned. Call emergency services immediately. Remember the FAST rule: face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty. Time to call emergency services. If you notice even one of these symptoms, don't wait. Call for help immediately. Minutes can mean the difference between recovery and permanent damage. If this video helps even one person avoid a stroke, it's worth it. Please like this video, share it with your family, and subscribe to Whole Your Health. You never know whose life you might save by spreading awareness. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.